Morning all. Happy to see you all. We hope everyone is enjoying the day of English. May I introduce ourselves to you. We all are from 3rd A, the section of cooperative students. Our class teacher is Ms. Shandipriya. Today, we would like to tell you about parts of speech. I repeat, parts of speech. Parts of speech is a category to which a word is essentially based on its functions in a sentence, and there are 8 parts of speech. I repeat, 8 parts of speech. Now, I am the mother of parts of speech family. I name everyone. I am the father of the parts of speech family. I always work. We have 3 children. Pronoun, adverb, adjective. I repeat again. Pronoun, adverb, adjective. I am pronoun. Elder daughter of the family. I always relieve. My mom knows when she is not. I am adverb, younger daughter of the family. I love my father, verb. I always describe about him. I am adjective, the only son in the family. I love my mother, noun, and elder sister, pronoun as like every boy. Thus, I always describe about them. I am conjunction, the grandfather of the family. I always connect them. Preposition, the grandmother of family. I always tell the preposition of them. I am interjection, the relative of the family. I always give sudden surprises. I repeat, I am interjection, the relative of the family. I always give sudden surprises. Thank you.